What's going on, everybody? Today I went out to Double Dips and I decided to try a 2 pork chop plate. And on that 2 pork chop plate, I have 2 pork chops, I have macaroni and cheese, and I have fried okra as well as a roll. So I'm not going to take up a whole lot of your time. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start out first with the fried okra. Let's see what this fried okra working with. Fried okra is okay. Seasoned pretty good. Crunchy. If you're a fan of fried okra, you'll like this fried okra. I like this fried okra. Seasoned, crunchy. But I'm a fan of okra, period, so I like this fried okra. Let's go ahead. Let's check out this mac and cheese. Look like it's real cheesy. Got a lot of cheese all the way through it. Look like it may be seasoned well. Let's see what it's working with. Okay. I have to say, I'm liking this macaroni and cheese too. It's made just the way I like it. Cheese all through the macaroni and cheese. It's seasoned well. I'm liking this macaroni and cheese. This is some of the best macaroni and cheese I've tasted so far. Pure and clean. But I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that macaroni and cheese because I know y'all want to know what these pork chops tasting like. So let's grab one of these bad boys and let's bite into it. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. The pork chop is good. It's meaty, tender. The outside crust tastes pretty good, but I think it could use a little bit more seasoning. The meat itself. I think the meat itself could use a little bit more seasoning. I'm not saying the pork chop is bad. It's not. Pork chop is pretty good, and I recommend these pork chops out there from the Double Dip food trailer out there. My only gripe, like I said before, is that I think you could use a little bit more seasoning. But other than that, the fried okras, I'm loving the fried okra. I'm loving the mac and cheese. And I'm loving these pork chops. The only gripe that I have is that the meat could use a little bit more seasoning. And with that, it's a Studio Food Delivery Junkie. I'm out. Peace.